everyone, I'm CHEE matrix number 271202. Today I would like to show you how to cook two Japanese cuisine, which are Japanese curry with rice and also Ichigo Daifuku. Before we start, I would like to explain to you what is Japanese curry and also Ichigo Daifuku. Japanese curry is a famous dish from Japan but originates in Indian cuisine. The Anglo-Indian officer of Royal Navy brought the curry powder to Japan during Meiji era. After that, the Japanese adapt the dish to suit their taste. The Japanese curry soon became popular and available for purchase at supermarket and restaurants in the late 1960s. On the other hand, the Ichigo Daifuku is one of the traditional Japanese desserts that consists of chewy mochi shell and use strawberry as filling. The most traditional type is the strawberry wrapped in the thin layer of red bean paste and then wrapped in the layer of white soft mochi. So let's start to cook the Japanese cuisine.
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. Few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a good day. I must have do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. I must have do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. No more school, no more rain, no more rain to fill these days. You and views all afternoon. Look at all the time we don't have to give up. Everything we're giving is enough.
Later.
Together like a glove. All my questions answered by this. It was a good day. I must have do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed
A few moments later.
Wow!
you.